Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S98 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the settings application and after that, the Play Store application. And after that, here in the search pool, let's enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click enable in settings and near a green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap here OK, again OK and go back. Then click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished and let's go, for example, into the Google search here to see the look of our new device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.